Okay guys, Clarion here with you again guys, and this time it's gonna be the testing video for this amplifier guys. Yes guys, the model number right here, Dpx 11,500. I don't think it give out that guys, believe me, not that much, believe me, believe it. And down below it says 1x 1500 watt. Yeah, maybe it does that for real, yeah. Oh, whoa, look at the manufacture date of this guys, I think 1/12/06. Really? 2006. Wow. Okay, I thought it was older than that, but it is what it is. So, yes, guys. So, first, let me start with this, guys. So, as you can see the setup there. All right. So, this is the front with that mark. This everything is marked. So, this out here, this one is the input. This one is slave if you're gonna, you know, what you do if you're gonna hook it up to another amplifier and stuff like that. Yeah, you can do that. So, yes, guys, just letting you guys know. Yeah, so all these buttons here, this one is a level, as you see, that's volume or gain, what some people would call it. And this one, bass boost, stuff like that, level and frequency for the bass boost. Yeah, and here you have the subsonic, and here you have the X over frequency. And this little button here is a slave and, they would say slave and master. This one has it as normal and slave. So normal would be if you're playing it the amplifier by itself, you're not using it as a slave, and stuff like that. And phase is this little button right here, guys. So phase in and phase out. And right here you have it, phase in, phase out, this little button. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna just I turn these down, so I'm gonna see what's going on now. So what I did earlier, I pour it up, it turns on, but I didn't check the audio, guys. Oh my words. But anything happen, guys, I want you guys to see. So if I have to do something else, so you guys see definitely that I have to do something else and stuff like that. But for now, I'm going to remove this. Yeah. This thing off the table here, guys. Yeah. All right. I'll go back here. All the capacitors was replaced. And here, why I do this, guys, is because this is off because it's the circuit board screw down. I don't want to screw this on these for now until I'm ready to install this together. But yeah. So I do this so it doesn't short out anything and touching on this pole right here. So yeah, you could do this, guys. I always use a tape or something like that. It's safer this way than to just put a piece of paper underneath it. So this is the MOSFET, guys. Let me put it back here, guys can see. And that's tip. Let me see if I find any. Some here. This is tip 102. Let me nasty it up for you guys. So yeah. So see it, guys. Let me try to steady my hand. Alright, yeah, guys. That tip 102. And this is I think it's 107 over here. Yeah, this one over here is tip 107. Let me be sure. I don't remember quite, guys. See if I can get this thing to focus on cursor. And it's not even me the focus I'm looking for, guys. But this is, I think, is tip 107, and that's tip 102. So yeah, they're the complementary pair, guys, for this amplifier. Yeah. So yes, so that one is tip 102 is for the C transistors, and tip 107 is for the A transistors. So yes, I don't know which one is PNP or NPN, guys. I swear, not fully sure to remember. So yeah, but I think I show you guys in the other videos what is what. So, but for now, guys, see I have right here. Show you guys hooked up here. So the power inside, power remote, and the grounds, yeah, the speaker lead. All right, so. And these are wired at 2 ohms. These two 10-inch Rockville. I forgot the model number, but that doesn't matter right now. What matters is if this works. Alright, so let's see what's going on with this thing now, guys. Uh-huh. I want you guys to see. Alright, that's it. Pause on. So The light is gonna be here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put this like this. I don't even have to do that right now. Let me see. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to show you the light now. So let's see if it pours on, then I move on from that. So protection light, see that, guys, that pretty blue light? Alright, and this is the MOSFET here. Not too bad. It's eating up, guys, but you know, that's, whoa, harder, guys. So let me switch this off first. Alright, see that flashes? So I'm gonna just test it, give it a tone test with my finger, guys. And then, alright, hold on, guys, let me see. Sometimes I forget that this stick, guys, the selfie stick, guys, is just hard to deal with. I don't know what to do first sometimes. But when I hook this up where the subwoofer is, and then, alright, let me do it like this. Guys, alright, give me a minute here. Give me a minute. Then I'm gonna put it right where the subwoofer is. Alright, so I put it to the one facing down to the ground. Alright, so now I'm gonna switch it on and give it a test. Oh yeah, guys, the poll is still on. You guys can hear it. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it like that for now because this thing get hot. This thing's supposed to be under the sink. With these amplifiers here, these things really get hot, guys. So yeah, really get warm. So yeah, so what I replaced here, guys, was that here 15 volts Zener diode, and that resistor I didn't. That's 1K ohm resistor. Yeah, that's pretty really good. And then I replaced this capacitor here, guys. It was saying 64. I think that's 64 volts at 104 J. So yeah, so I upgraded to 100 volts right now. I think, if I'm not wrong here, something like that. Yeah, and see, yep, see that Z and that diode. Yeah, so it's working really fine, guys. So yeah, so after this, guys, you know what I'm going to do. I'm gonna give it the ultimate test, which I can't do on this. You know, I can't do on, I would say, camera because copyright everything. You know, but you know, it's working. Up and ready. It was shipped to me. I'm gonna ship it back out soon. Yeah, as soon as I give it some real test, guys. You know, so I really wanna give it some more test, but you know, we'll see how it goes, guys. So yeah, so please like, subscribe if you like what you see so far, guys. And yeah, look here. This is the chassis of it, guys. These are the stuff I take up. This is it. Upside it down. So after, guys, I'm gonna put, and I put, yeah, when I hook it up, guys, I'm gonna see, yeah, cause this is supposed to light up all this here is supposed to lit up blue or something like that. So I'm gonna make a different video for that part. So, but for now, this is the video, guys. That's going on. You know, this is what I'm doing for now. So you guys can see, you know, some better view of the circuit board. So yes, guys, this one was shipped into me from other states. So yeah, definitely, wanna get it up and running and ship it back as soon as possible, guys. Yeah. So yep, there's another look. And see what I do here, guys, I put some CA glue around this transformer because some of these wire was shaking there, and that's not good when they're going all over the place, so you can see, yep, put some CA glue, say soak down into this, and now this is not going anywhere, guys, believe me. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, just to let you know. So yeah, guys, please like, subscribe if you like what you see so far, and Clarion guys is out for now.